All right, this is the third and last example that you're going to watch of finding a difference quotient. So again, there are 3 steps, and eventually you're going to have to be able to do this without your notes.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The 3 o'clock activity buses have now arrived. The 3 o'clock activity buses have now arrived.
Step A is to find f of x plus h. So I'm going to substitute x plus h into the equation where x is. All right, so I'm going to have to simplify this. I'm going to square this polynomial. I'm going to use the formula for squaring a binomial, which I keep telling you have to have memorized. I'm going to keep this in parentheses because after I simplify that, I'm going to distribute the negative. So the formula to square a binomial is the first term squared, the 2 terms multiplied together and doubled, and then the last term squared. I'm going to distribute the negative. So everything in this parentheses has to change the sign. And then combine like terms. There are no like terms. So that's it for step A. Step B. We're going to take f of x plus h. We're going to subtract f of x. All right, so we already found f of x plus h. Let's copy that from the previous step. All right, there is f of x plus h. I want to subtract f of x from it. F of x is what is the expression that we started with. So again, make sure that you're including that in parentheses so you can distribute the subtraction. I bring down everything that's already been simplified. Distribute this negative to both of those terms. All right, and then combine like terms. So I've got an x and a negative x. They cancel. And I've got a negative x squared and an x squared. They cancel. So what's left? I've got h, negative 2hx, and negative h squared. All right. So f of x plus h minus f of x. That's step B. The last step, divide by h. Take everything we had in the previous step. Divide it by h. All right, so the previous step, I'm going to copy down from the previous line. Divided by h. H divided by h is 1. Negative 2hx divided by h, the h will cancel. And negative h squared divided by h is negative h. So that's the difference quotient. Okay, that's the final answer, 1 minus 2x minus h. And remembering again that this is a formula that's going to describe how this function changes over an interval. Since the rate of change is not constant, we need an expression that has both a variable for x and a variable for the interval in it. Okay, this is a really important concept if you go into a calculus course, and that's why we're here. We're studying to get ready for calculus. All right.